stop first and go.
Okay, we got the girls through. Alright, where we tell them how much?
How much what?
For the boat ride?
9,500. 9,500.
9,500. 9,500 for the two of us.
Yeah.
And I got too close to you, not watching what I'm doing.
And I'm very big.
And we got two people I didn't want. You can see the big yellow boat out there. That boat wants 2,000, 20,000, whatever. I think that's the boat. There's only one boat. It's a awesome boat. It may be that one. I can't even see from here. But I said, is it air conditioned? They said no, and then you're going to be with 40 people. I just wanted to be with 2 people. That's it. Okay, there she is. We're going to swim out there. That's kind of a joke. It's about 2 feet deep. But we got a really nice boat for the 2 of us. Pretty cool. The big transfer. Now the camera I got in my hand is not waterproof. Can you believe this? The reason that we got this is because it's Monday.
Yeah. What?
For only 2 people.
No, because it's private.
Huh?
It's private or?
It's Monday.
It's private.
Okay. Alright. This is private. Way better deal. And really, it didn't cost any more. Pretty cool. I looked. We got here Friday. I started looking to see if I could find, you know, the private tour. Because I loved it when we were in, and I couldn't find it. And we finally found one. And right in back of there, that's where everybody goes in the streets. As you saw at night, whistling and bustling, and everybody was buying and whatever. So, here we go. They're picking everybody up. It's a good thing. You should have seen it actually on Saturday and Sunday. This place was just packed. Absolutely packed. So, I have no idea why we're going this way. They're probably going to pick up. I don't see any food, so make a big pickup. Very shallow here. Well, it's not that shallow. Not that bad. Here we go. There you go. That might be, what's it called? The rooftop place?
No, the escape deck is there in front of this door.
Then that must be it right there. The highest point in the city. And you go up there. That's right across the street then from where we rented. And that's a hostel, the brown building. And it's really cool. Anyway, on the bottom for a hostel, the room didn't look very nice. They probably didn't have air conditioning. gasoline. Beautiful. The gasoline station. Buy the water shoes. Buy the water shoes. I have a hard time. I don't really get to walk and flip-flops much. It's like, oh, we've got to drive 10,000 pesos. Basically. About 200 bucks. Private cruise. About 200 American dollars. Cool, cool, cool. I wanted to be alone. They'll see you, they'll fill that. Of course, this is Monday, so they'll have a lot harder. I haven't really even seen any boats go out. I haven't even seen any boats go out, actually. Very, very, very few. So, where are we going? Plan A? So we're going to the most popular one where normally you see videos that's just crowded. That's why we got here on Friday. We waited until Monday. Of course, Saturday night we found a private tour. Looking. There's no such thing as a night tour. I couldn't believe that. I just wanted to go out on the water and watch the sunset. Couldn't do it. Anyway. There we go. Now we could have gotten one with the Lime Hotel and it would probably look more like that. But really the hall is basically the same, as you can see looking at all of them. Because the water is so shiny. That's where we came from. One straight line. And right there is the Lime Hotel. Somewhere back in that area is the other one that we went to last night. The awesome one we looked at. And then all the tours going out in the morning. The Coast Guard's out here. They're having a little bit of trouble with the Chinese. I don't think that'll do much good. Got one turret on the front. Probably more radar and so forth. It's just, this is it. It's where it's at. Entering the first leg of our tour. Just one island, one limestone rock after another. I'm gonna get a canoe. There they are. They got a whole bunch of them. And we're gonna go back in there. And oh my, I'm so glad that we don't have a million people. Really, not too bad. Monday morning. Okay, folks, if you got money, there is your resort. I have no idea what that is. Definitely have to bring a boat out here. We're off to the next place, wherever that may be. On Plan A. Doesn't look like we're going to the beach. There's a few boats there, but we must be behind schedule. This guy's got it churned up. Maybe I can figure it out later. I always like to look at the motor. But we had one, like I said, had two brand new lawn tractor motors. Maybe 8 or something. I don't know, they lie now. They're probably 20. But anyway, Hondas, they were brand new Hondas. But right there in the back, he's pumping water out, and there was a lot of water in that boat. Still pumping. I don't know if you can see it. The boat is held together with fishing line, but you can't get anything stronger than fishing. And we are off. Look at the color of the water. Crystal clear. Blue, blue, blue. We are getting ready to go snorkeling in this beautiful blue water. This was the best part. Totally. I have no idea what it sounds like. How ugly I am. So cool. Battery's got to be just about gone. I got the motor running. That must mean they want me out. Anyway, absolutely beautiful. Great shots. Hit the battery, still running. We just got done snorkeling there. It was beautiful. In these beautiful, beautiful blue waters. Clear. And my Filipino had to be drug around. But that's okay. On our private tour, we got red snapper. These guys work their butts off. They earn every nickel of everything they do. Got our own private boat. Just her and I. Got a tour behind us. If you like being with lots of people. But I can stay just as long as I wanted. I got to snorkeling to me, the coral to me is what I really want. You know, the rest of this is gorgeous, but man, highly recommend the private tour. Or you can get you a big boat with 30 people. Eating lunch in Touré. They all stop. It's lunchtime on Touré. There you go, Monday. That's a tour. We got a private boat. Okay, it's getting a little bit rough, but not like in Bahal. It got, well, actually in El Nido, we really didn't go very far out. We went to Coran, we really went out in the ocean. And actually when we went to Bahal, we got out in the open ocean, and we got a lot of real wind. But there is an island everywhere you look. Good view of the Garden View Hotel. Right there is the Nido Beach Resort. It looks like. Looks like we're back. Hi. I'm ready for a nap. Okay, all right there. That was our room. We're now moving to the Lime. Probably to sleep for 2 days. Anyway, pick us up right in front of our room. Great trip. I think we're all tired. I think we're all wore out.